all sold out. It's nearly all sold out, so if you want to get some, then yeah. Oh, it practically has. So like, yeah, that's pointless, I guess. We had merch. We'll have more soon. Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry, there are bracelets as well. I made them over the weekend, over the week, whatever it was. And yeah, there's some of them if you want to get some. Or yeah, there's more than 4 people online. Well, oh well, I guess. How is everyone doing tonight? Are you guys? That's good. I'm glad you're all okay. So, do you guys want to hear anything from the automaton? Yeah. We have an automaton.
Bohemian Rhapsody.
I don't think I can play that. I can maybe do Bring Me to Life, but I can attempt Bring Me to Life on the automaton. I can attempt. I will give it a go. It will sound rubbish, but you know what?
Bring Me to Life.
Pigeon stay for the automaton, am I right? I guess so. That's so sad. I mean, we can always read that one. We can always read the automaton. We've got more time.
Okay, we're going to do our last song, which is one that we've written together, us four, and that feels a really nice way to end it. Because Indy wrote this amazing riff, which I'm very much in favour of. I really love it. I wrote the lyrics. I'm not going to comment on my own work.
I think they're good. I think the rest of us think they're good.
Yes, these guys have just, because they're amazing musicians, they've just fit into it all. It's great. Anyway, so I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to start. Take it away.
Thank you.